Hi everyone, Andrew Rothermel here from Ram Country TV. Today we're going to take a quick look at your digital radio. When you get your box, it's going to look like this. One thing is your radio. You can take that out. A couple other things you're going to have in here. This is a power for your battery charger. This larger white box is your battery charger. So you can pull that out. Battery charger. A couple other things you're going to have in here. This is your antenna. First thing you should do is put this antenna on. Pull it out of the sleeve. The slot's right here. Put it in there, spin her on. Make sure it's locked in there tight. Antenna's on, ready to go. Another thing you have in here is a belt clip for your backup battery. You can open up this and set that aside. The last thing you'll have in here is your backup battery. So what you can do, you can open that, and your extra belt clip can go right on the back of this. Clip it on, make sure you hear that click. A couple other things, there is a manual in here. Feel free to take a look at it. It's just a quick reference guide. And once you get this all set up, you can take the battery pack, take out the power. This guy goes in the back here. Plug this in. Then you can charge your battery. Remember, do not charge the entire radio on the battery charger. Make sure you take off the battery first before you charge it. And that's it from RCTV. Have a great day.